What's up, guys? So today I'm sad. I'm back to Tokorosawa, see the house of Kayako Saeki from the movie You Are Not the Great Boss and don't have anymore the house. The house supposed to be behind me, don't have anymore. Yeah, 3 years after, come back here and don't have anymore this house. So I will turn around to show you it's very different now. So we're turning around and whoa, fast. So normally we can, here there is a lot of houses, sorry, but yes, don't have anymore. I'm sad. Yeah, I think every fans of these movies and all our things can be sad. So I just want to show you the final scene of one of these movies. It's yeah, and there is a famous bridge here. Yeah, you remember start first video here, and so I will finish this video here also. Yes, everybody remember this place. It's the moment the little Kayako Saeki kill her mom, and after she go back, she going this way in the movie. So it means she's going back to house, but now I don't have any more house. Okay, so sorry, it's a little video, I'm a bit sad. I knew it. I read some commentaries and there is somebody told me the house is now destroyed. I wanted to check it. So there is near to here there is a lake. So I will go lake. See you next time, guys, and so bye bye, and wherever we say maintenant.